Hi guys, Chef RedBeard here with Dherbs Kitchen with another summer treat for you guys. Today, we're making guacamole. Super simple, super fresh, ingredients that can be picked up from your local grocery store, farmer's market, or your neighbor's backyard if you're lucky enough. So today we're gonna start with 3 ripe, peeled, diced avocados. These are extremely ripe. And some chopped cilantro. This is just roughly chopped. You don't want to crush it. You don't want it to bleed. The stems are included in here, just not the white parts towards the end, but those have amazing flavors from the cilantro as well. This is 1 garlic clove that has been smashed and minced. This is 1 large Roma tomato. This has just been diced, left the skin on. Small trick for you guys, because I'm always coming with those for you. This is some kosher salt. You can use pink Himalayan salt. That works fine just as well. This is 1 small diced white onion. I am going to add the salt. It's about 1 tablespoon to 1 onion. And this is the juice. We're gonna go of 1 lime. This was 2 limes, but just looking at it, save a little for reserve. I'm gonna take the onion and salt mixture with the lime juice. I'm just gonna let that sit. What this is gonna do is gonna take some of that gaseous allium out of the onion to make it more palatable, to have a better bite once it's mixed in with the full guacamole. The salt is gonna extract the flavors out of the onion and the lime juice. So when we add it to our guacamole, you don't have to let this sit for an hour or overnight. This can be ready to eat immediately. So this small trick here, just letting it sit for about 30 to 45 seconds, just mixing it up, will make this instantly ready to eat. So I'm gonna give this in our bowl a nice toss, gently. You don't wanna break up, if you want chunky guacamole, you don't wanna break up the avocado. If you want more of a creamy or paste-like avocado, of course you can mash it until you get the desired consistency. So here we'll add our onions, and you can see the juice didn't stay. The onions quickly absorbed that lime juice and the salt. Just give this a quick toss. I'll show you guys how to plate it up with some nice chips. Okay guys, so here we are. This is our guacamole. Super simple, fresh for summer. I've paired it with just a slice of lime in case you want to give a little more of that rich citrus. These are again some of our raw kale chips and just a slice of avocado for extra avocado, more so for garnish. So if you would like this recipe and see others like it, make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit the follow button in the little corner there. Make sure you follow us at www.dherbs.com/chefredbeard. Eat well.